Dan and Tom, and we're here relaxing in front of our beautiful shower that we just made. My family is dinging up a storm here because, never mind, it's none of your business.
None of your business. We don't need to tell you everything, do we?
We invite you into our lives, but there are some things we don't
Some
see.
boundaries?
I have a few boundaries.
Yeah, you do? Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm trying.
I didn't know.
So we tried our shower last night. It was really nice. The only thing is we have a motion light next to the shower, and once you go behind the screen, the light kicks off and there's no more light.
But stars.
We had the stars. We had the stars and the mosquitoes. They were helping.
They weren't really doing anything.
I didn't get bit by a mosquito either. That's right. That was when we were making the shower.
Yeah.
Not when we were taking the shower.
Beautiful stars.
It was gorgeous.
It was gorgeous.
It was a gorgeous night. A perfect shower. A little cold, which was amazing because it's been so
cold
hot.
outside.
Yeah.
The water was.
No, the water was warm as anything. Yeah. But it was cold outside.
It was.
Yes. So anyway, last night when Tom was trying to fix some of the errors in the shower, I started putting patio lights up out here again. And you know, if you've watched my patio light video, it doesn't always go well, but this seems to have gone well so far. I want to light it down here so that people can see down here by the barn. It's really dark at night. It would be nice to take a shower and actually see where you are. So I decided to string that over to the tree, and right now we're just going to do a short video about our experience in hanging these lights. And we're expecting it to go easy breezy, aren't we?
Yes. That's what well, I'll tell you, I've had a little adjustment.
Oh, you have?
In the house, I thought, easy breezy.
Yeah. Now you don't think easy breezy?
Well, you know, I'm looking at that tree.
Well, that tree's a little complicated.
And I'm thinking about the concept, and it seems more complicated. But, you know how I am.
Yeah, I do.
I overcomplicate
You
things.
overcomplicate everything. What I'm going to do is just wrap it around a branch and move it on over to the barn and tack it there. And I thought it would be a great idea to get it up before the bats come out of their house, because we're going to string it up really close to the bat house, and we don't want the bats to drop on us. Yeah. So,
but it's pretty cool when they drop out.
It is really cool when the bats drop out.
And I've been there when they done it, and it was really cool. They just drop out. Yeah,
when they done it. Ladies and gentlemen, your public education, hard at work. Yes.
That was not nice. I was going to tell a good story here.
What was your good story?
About the bats dropping.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
Yeah, it's really amazing when the bats drop out. I mean, they just drop, and then they spread their wings, and off they go.
It is really cool. It's like they're just falling from heaven, and then...
Yeah, very amazing.
And we love our bats as long as they're outside and not inside, because they're not toilet trained. No. So anyway, tonight we want to hang those lights, and so we're just going to video that for you a minute. And we have a lot of other great projects in store this weekend. Is it going to be humid again?
Yep.
Okay. Well, we want to get done as much as we can now while it's not too humid.
Yep.
So, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. If you like our videos, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. We want to hear about your DIY fun experiences and how things don't turn out for you either, because we're hoping we're not the only ones. In the end, it works, but...
Well, I'm confident we're not the only ones.
I'm confident we're not the only ones, too. Yeah. Yeah, I have a brother-in-law who made my sister go days without washing her hair
But
at
I wonder
home.
if we should share that story.
Oh, no, that we really shouldn't. Never mind. Sorry, our Paul Lori.
Yes. Reality.
We won't bring that up. But you probably have your own stories, and they could be really great. So please share them below. And we'll see you on the other side.
Yeah, hopefully soon.
Yeah. All right. Here we go. Let's do this thing.
All right. I think we need a big ladder because I'm not climbing.
I think we need a big ladder. Yeah. No, that was part of my problem last night. My ladder wasn't tall enough, but I don't want to get on the biggest ladder. That's one of the problems. The other problem is this tree has a lot of branches.
It does.
And they're like twiggy, sticky, and I don't know what ones are dead and what ones are alive, and some of them are fragile.
Yeah, I know. So, I'll tell you what my inclination is. Okay, so here's it.
What, do you want to draw a plan?
No, but I'm going to throw some complexities into this.
No!
Yeah.
Stop with the complexities.
Well, you have to think about this.
What?
Now, you can simplify it at the end.
What?
But so we're going to a tree.
Yeah.
Branches are movable.
They're beautiful.
Storms come.
Yep. Storms go.
But the line, the wire,
Yep.
has only so much that it can move.
Yep.
So,
Yep.
if the branches are swaying, that's a very unstable scenario. Plus, if the wind is severe, then you start pulling things apart.
Okay.
So.
But you want to know my plan?
Okay, you tell me.
I had a plan.
Okay.
My plan is we're just going up to one of those branches that kind of go right next to the tree. The ones that are, there's like one up there that's right by the tree, so it's not going to move. Those branches aren't going to move right by the trunk.
Okay, well then we're thinking along the same lines. Because I was thinking about even going up right to the trunk.
Oh yeah, yeah. There's that branch coming off to the left of that trunk right up there. It's pretty. Yeah, yeah, that one.
That one that looks
That's
like it's losing all its bark.
No, yeah, no.
This one or that one?
That one. That one.
Okay.
Yeah, that one. Go to that one, wrap it around the base, and then we take it over. Okay? Let's do this.
There's gonna be some trimming too, because otherwise you're gonna lose all your light in there too.
I'll be pretty and picturesque.
All right. Well, we'll put it up first, and then we'll decide whether we have to trim.
All right. God, we have to make everything so complicated.
You gotta think about things. You can't just fly by the seat of your pants.
I don't know why my family sides with you and all this.
I know why. That's
my way works better.
It always works out. I will say that.
Uh-huh.
That's one thing you're good at.
What, are you complicating?
No. I'm just saying you have to think
all right, so take this line.
Wow, but then it's still low like that.
When it goes up there, it won't be low.
I disagree. I'll try it.
Okay.
I'll try it.
Try it.
But I don't think it's good. In the interest of simplicity.
I think it'll be high.
And in the fact that you usually are right and I'm usually wrong. I will give it a go.
This is why we can make a video on everything, because you can make any easy thing into a project.
Yes, I can.
Yeah, up there. Oh. Yeah, if you pull it tight, then it's high enough. See?
Poison ivy.
What? Where?
All over my face.
That's not poison ivy. I wonder what that is. I think it's like, I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, now I have to be able to attach it to this tree.
Okay. So, I mean, the trick is I feel like we're going to go on that sideboard there on this side of the drainage pipe.
Okay, the trim.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's right where that bush is. So I don't know where exactly you want to be.
Okay, and are you saying put it, so what I'm thinking is put it above the roof line.
Standing right in front of the camera.
There we go. I'll put a pilot hole It'll go through the siding up there and then into the beam. And it will be anchored.
Okay, anchors away. Anchors away, Tom. Go.
Yeah, but here's the other thing.
What?
So you make a big deal about how big mine is.
Yeah.
Look at that!
That one worked fine on all those posts.
On all those little posts where there was no tension.
Well, it wasn't those things that came out of the posts. It was the posts that came out with the tension.
All right.
All right, go ahead. Hang. I'm running out of light.
Yeah.
The mosquitoes are coming back out, and in a minute, the bats are going to drop on your head.
Put my drill here.
Yeah, that's where I want it.
That's where you want it?
Yeah, right above the
Okay.
that
I'm
little
dropping
line.
it.
Yep. I can see those bats are going to come down on you today.
Well, they might.
This
Won't be
is
the first time. Oh, this time they're closer.
yeah, they're really close, and
Probably
they
will
might
go
hit
right
you
into
by
my face.
accident. There's actually no, I think those are swallows flying around. I don't think those are the bats yet.
Could you go turn on the power down in the art room?
Yeah.
You have to drop out. They probably will fly into my face. I have to make sure I don't freak out.
And then they'll bite you, and then you'll need rabies shots. All right. So
now we're looking for
Tom was ready to bada boom, bada bing, but he's not ready to look for things. And we just decided what we needed was a little green extension outdoor cord that we could hang a few of the lights in. And I think it's under the stage in a box. I can even tell you where all the boxes are.
We could probably do it faster tomorrow morning though.
We could do it faster tomorrow morning when we can see.
Yeah.
So these weekend warriors are gonna sign off tonight, and Tom's losing steam. I am too. We really need some supper.
Yeah.
Hey, I want to take a picture of this. This is cool.
Of what?
Go back. Go back. Our shadows. All the doors and everything.
Okay.
So anyway, I guess we're signing off right now. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. It just keeps raining. It's either super hot and humid or it's raining. Like if we had to wait for the perfect day to work this summer, we wouldn't get anything done. What I did to the shower?
Oh, cool.
We might want to like rope it down or something so a heavy
the
wind
wind
doesn't
doesn't
get
blow
it
away.
and break it. Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
but that'll cover it.
Yeah. Yeah. Huh. Cool.
Yeah.
Way to go.
You cut that already? Good job.
Yeah.
Okay.